Look, these are Tom and his classmates. They spend a lot of time at school, so they have to eat their lunch there. Mike has his lunch at the school canteen. He usually has a side salad and then he has a large portion of soup as a main course. At last, he enjoys a cup of tea with some biscuits. Sam doesn't have a hot meal at school. He often eats a fruit and a packet of crisps at school that he brings from the shop. Ben is a real fussy eater. He eats only home-cooked meals and he never eats fast food, so he always takes a packed lunch to school. It usually consists of 4 parts: rice, some meat or fish, a green salad, and a fruit. And what about Tom? He takes his lunch served in a box to school like Ben does. His mom prepares it for him every morning. She is sure that food should be nourishing and healthy as well as appealing. She shapes the food like flowers, animals, or even cartoon characters. Tom's mother takes great pride in creating such things. Tom and his friends like eggs. They eat them for breakfast every morning. Mike likes scrambled eggs. Sam prefers them poached, while Ben enjoys fried eggs. Tom likes them boiled. All the boys usually have potatoes for dinner. Mike has baked potatoes with some steamed or boiled vegetables. Sam likes roast or fried potatoes with some pickled vegetables. Ben prefers boiled or mashed potatoes with some roast or grilled chicken. As for Tom, he doesn't like chicken. It's not very tasty for his liking. He usually has fish for dinner. He loves it made in any way of cooking, baked, grilled, or poached. But he loves fried fish most of all. Yummy! These are some of the girls from Tom's class: Lucy, Mary, Kate, and Kim. Lucy is always on a diet. She eats only light meals. She is afraid of putting on some weight. However, sometimes she treats herself to a bar of dark or white chocolate. Kim is afraid to gain some weight too. What's more, she dreams to lose it. Some time ago, she didn't have a healthy diet. She often ate a lot of junk food. But now she has a balanced diet. She doesn't like frozen food. Also, she doesn't eat undercooked or overcooked meals. Mary doesn't eat meat. She is a vegetarian. Basically, she eats raw vegetables and fruit salads. Kate is allergic to many kinds of food. Also, she doesn't care for spicy food and sour dishes with vinegar. She doesn't eat rich, creamy sauces. How about you? Do you have your meals at the school canteen or take a packed lunch to school? What do you usually have for breakfast, lunch, and dinner? What kinds of food do you like or dislike? Tastes differ, but remember, try to have a balanced diet to be healthy and strong.